Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The Kindle new version 2025. We'll unbox it and see what are the changes. Is it a minor change or does it have a greater change than the other ones? Here it goes. So, uh-oh, yep, here it is. Yeah, the box has a C-type charger, okay, and it had this and some booklet, blah 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 blah, okay, and then the Kindle itself. So it is sleek. You know, the first impression says yeah, it's pretty lightweight. Oh. Yep. It's lightweight, matte finish. I think it should be a minor upgrade. You know, it has a C-type charging, and the 2022 version have a micro USB. Other than that, it should be all the same, but it is leak, and the battery would last for weeks. Yeah. So I will on it. There is a on button, I believe. Yeah. So that's the only physical button which this has. And we are good to go. So this is the first page after owning. You select English, hit next. Interface, you know, it looks pretty good. You click on United Kingdom, so the date month feels good to us, and then it starts. You know, looking at it, I think it adjusts the light for us to, you know, make sure our eyes are good to read. As I said, you know, it says the battery lasts for weeks, you know, and it's lightweight. The display is sharp, and it has warm light. That said, I think the plus point is the USB-C type. But if you think you need to have an upgrade, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can still be on the just one version below this, you know, it just has the difference of micro USB. That said, yeah, let's explore it and see how does it work. Yep, so that was a basic setup. Now I'll have to enter my details and then start configuring it. Take care guys, have fun, bye.